Do 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 do. Draw with Mr. Craig!
Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to show you how you can make a little book that you can draw in and write in and make it all about you. It'll be fun. To do this, what you'll need is some paper that's all the same size. You can see I have about 3 or 4 pieces here and they're all the same rectangular size, and I'm going to fold it and then staple it 2 times. And now I'm ready to decorate my book. To decorate my book, students and I have been using this paper to help us out. So we know that on our cover, we want it to say all about me. And you can write the words written and illustrated by, and then put your name, or you could just write all about me by, and whoever you are. This is one that I made. You can see it says all about me by Mr. Craig. Now on page 1, everybody will have the same thing. It'll say, hi, my name is, and of course mine says, hi, my name is Mr. Craig. And then there's an illustration of me. Remember, it's written and illustrated by, not just drawn or illustrated, not just written, but both. Other pages that you do are up to you. Here's some examples of ones that you could do. Family, friends, places, favorite foods, pets, favorite outfit, favorite sport, favorite toy, favorite color, favorite drink, favorite sports team, favorite teacher, least favorite color, least favorite smell, or you can write a page for yourself and then illustrate it. All pages must have words and drawings. The coloring is optional, but as you can see, I did put the coloring in because I thought it looked nice. So here's another thing that I did. I included my family. You can see over there, that's one of the first things. And then on page 3, I included my pet. I skipped a couple and went down to pets. Okay, that's my dog Harry. And then on the next page, you can see I included another one here. It says friends. These are my friends and we're camping. This is my favorite team. That's over here, favorite sports team. This is my favorite toy, although most people would not call a motorcycle a toy. It's as close as I have to a toy. This is my favorite color. Okay, so you can see I did use my list to help me out. Favorite place, the mountains, favorite sport, favorite thing to do outside. You choose. What will yours be about, and how will you fill up your book? Okay, so enjoy this, and I hope it works out for you. I bet you it will.